Okay, so let us do a quick recap of the basic terminology in algebra. Now, the very fundamental idea in algebra is about variables. Variables essentially is a concept which we use to denote quantities that can take on different values. And we have covered the discussion about variables in detail in the earlier videos. But we represent variables by alphabets, for example X, Y, Z, A, B, C, and so on. And I would just like to re-emphasize that these variables denote quantities. These are numbers, but these are quantities which can take on different values. Then we have constants. As the name suggests, constants are numbers, and they could be positive like 1, 2, 3, 4, or they could be negative. Now, in order to understand how an expression is created, we have to realize the fundamental fact that we combine variables and constants, okay, uh, to create expressions. And let us see an example of an expression and then try to dissect the various components of a expression. So here is an expression. So the expression that we have is 7x plus 4y. Now, if you look at the two components which are forming the expression here is 7x and 4y. Now, these two, they are known as terms of the expression. So this expression has two terms, 7x. Now, if you look at the terms individually, you can see that this is a constant and this is a variable. So these two are known as factors of the term 4y, and the factors are formed by multiplying variables and constants, or it could also be a variable multiplied by a variable. Okay, and as I mentioned, the number 4 and number 7, these are constants. They are also known as coefficients, and the numbers and the x and y, the letters x and y, they are the variables. So to summarize, what we do is we combine terms, or we add terms. Okay, we add terms to form expressions. Okay, so that is the key idea you need to familiarize yourself with.